has been celebrated to honor the great scientist C.V. Raman, who has won Nobel Prize for his Raman effect. It is a day to innovate the young minds and to the involve scientific spirit.
So,
add few drops of color and lemon juice.
oh, very good. Because of water.
Once you put here, madam.
So you prepared a mini robot. Very good.
Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was born in 11th February 1847 in Malayan. His father name was Cumming Edison Jr. His mother name was Margaret. All streams are together make a bigger stream. These bigger streams are from rivers. Water. As it is very cool out during summer, large quantity of evaporates from these lakes, rivers, etc. Topic is part of land. Name of the part of land. It is ladder. It is zero. It is branches. It is trend. It is status. Land is made up of voluntary bodies. It contains about 10,000 taste buds. Taste buds located in the wall of paper. There are four types of paper. Dimension. Those are sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Generally our Telugu people consider 6 tastes known as Shedruchulu. Our topic is about structure of eye. Eye contains eyelids, eyelashes, eyebrows and lacrimal glands. A thin layer is called conjunctiva, covers the front portion of the eye. The eyeball brain is the center for all the sensory activity. It receives information through the sensory nerves. This vapor condensate has seen as droplets in the plastic bag. Here we observe that droplets. Today my topic is tuberous soup. Some plants store in their food in carrot, beetroot, radish. My topic is modified stem. Some plants like potato, turmeric, garlic, ginger and vegetables store food materials in these stems. Use the gem. Probability is nothing but a common sense executive calculation.
Game చెప్పండి.
Please select a number and by making a number. Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి?
Select a number. System and reduce our blood pressure. Morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Hemala Shubhya. I am from 7th standard. This is the magically of time. Take a plate and keep a candle on the plate. One ring structure of this tooth. Tooth is most important to us. Nostrils, it moves through the nasal cavity, it enters into the pharynx and it moves through the larynx. After it goes through a tube-like structure called trachea. From there it goes to bronchial, which is present in our lung. The bronchial supplies it to bronchioles and the bronchiole supplies it to
explain day and night models. So generally we are having two types of movements, earth rotation and earth revolution. Earth rotation is nothing but the earth will rotate itself. It's called earth rotation. Earth revolution is nothing but the earth will rotate itself along with the sun. Day and night are processed during earth rotation. Right half of the earth is in sunlight.
In the location of the earth surfaces away from the sun, it experiences night.
Come on, class.
The cycle of the day and night is natural.
Complete duration of the day is 24 hours, using approximately 20. The movement of the earth around its axis, it will take 24 hours to complete one rotation. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
This project is solar system. The first planet is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. The third planet is Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. 9 planets. One of the Pluto is visible from the solar system. Now, after 2013, there are 8 planets. Besides this,
Experiments we made together. First thing is water detector. These requirements are source, HMI back, further circuitry.
Brilliant. Play. Full అయిందాక
Have you heard sir? DP song. DP song.
ఆన్ చేసి
మైక్ పెట్టా మైక్ పెట్టు
And also on 2023 on 14 July 14
can use that one.
this is Tanka.
Model, just made the model.
Recently the ISRO has launched the PSLV C6.
global warming. Global warming is a phenomenon of the gradual increase in the temperature of the Earth's surface. This has changed the distribution and climatic pattern of the Earth.
So this is an afforestation. In this afforestation, we can see that windmill, solar panel and houses, humans and animals is well. So in this afforestation can slow the impact of the climate changes while using addressing other environmental issues, barrenness and the soil erosion. It helps to slow down the global warming by reducing carbon dioxide and increasing oxygen. Deforestation. Cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Trees are the main source of oxygen. They intake carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which creates an environmental balance. Forests have been dependent for domestic and commercial uses for the people, which is leading to global warming.
So by this, we should reduce the global warming. To reduce global warming, we have to save the energy and food. Change your home source by reduce, reuse and repair and recycle. We should eat more vegetables and throw away less food. Precipitation, that is acidic. Sulfuric acid and nitric acid are the two main compounds of acid rain. Acid rain is caused by the pollution Sulfuric acid and nitric acid are the main compounds of acid rain. Acid rain is caused by pollution and
It is digestive system. When we eat food, it does not get used directly by our body. It needs to be break down into simple substances. This process of breaking down the food into simple substances is called digestive. Like the saliva, stomach. In the stomach, the digestive, the food stores in the decay. Today's our topic is about showing about the human body. Here we are showing internal structure of body. Our body is made up of number of cells and tissues, organs also. So these all are connected with nerves. Entire our body has consists of nerves. Here the solution water changes. Here the impurities of debris. Impurities of debris.
Unit that exceed nitrogen raises excess or not. Everything is formed by network.
Our topic is waste to best.
These all are our waste materials which are used in our daily life. Soil polymer. Here we have made the recycling process.
In the bottle I have cut into half piece. I use it to making a put in my painting.
Show. Where it is? Show. Show you made. Showing that.
This is a paper I have made to a care bag to put my all stationery things.
Here bottle. Here bottle. From use it to newspaper and use.
First we have conducted ice cream stick with motor. It starts rotating. It is a type of filament. By this we can save electricity for use it for our home.
Okay, next.
Organization, which launches a satellite on behalf of our country. Recently launched a Chandrayaan 3 on 14th July 2023. The factor of Chandrayaan 3 are equal to sum of squares of other two sides.
We have a planet along with that we have
Hey.
planet walk around the planet and a weather and you
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾರು
weather that is ice cream